Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel where we learn English through stories. Today, I'm going to tell you an inspiring story. It's about a boy named Ahmed, who was once afraid of English but later became confident. Listen carefully, enjoy the story, and also learn new words and sentences from it. Part 1. The Beginning. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a boy named Ahmed. Ahmed wanted to speak English fluently. He dreamed of talking to people from around the world. But there was one problem. He was very shy. One day his teacher asked him to introduce himself in English. Ahmed stood up. His heart was beating fast. He opened his mouth, but no words came out. His classmates laughed. Ahmed felt embarrassed. From that day, he decided never to speak English again. But deep in his heart, Ahmed still wanted to learn. Vocabulary. Fluently, to speak easily and smoothly. Embarrassed, feeling shy, ashamed, or uncomfortable. Part 2. The Mentor. One evening, Ahmed went to the park. There, he saw an old man reading an English book. Ahmed became curious and asked, "Do you understand this book?" The old man smiled and replied, "Yes, I do. English changed my life." Ahmed whispered, "I want to learn, but I am afraid of making mistakes." The old man laughed gently. "My boy, mistakes are your teachers. I learned English by studying one word every day and using it in real life. Slowly my English grew. Like a tree. Vocabulary. Curious, wanting to know or learn something. Whispered, but spoke very softly. Part 3. The Practice. That night, Ahmed couldn't sleep. He kept thinking about the old man's advice. The next morning, he chose 5 words: hope, dream, journey, step, success. He wrote sentences. "I hope to speak English one day. My dream is to be confident. Learning is a journey. Every day is a step. I will find success." Every evening, he stood in front of the mirror and practiced. At first, he laughed at himself, but slowly he became serious. Vocabulary. Advice. Helpful suggestion or guidance. Journey eyes a long process of learning or traveling. Part 4. The Struggle. Weeks passed. Sometimes Ahmed felt motivated, but sometimes he felt like giving up. One day a friend told him, "Why are you wasting time? English is too hard for you." Ahmed felt sad. That night, he almost closed his notebook forever. But then he remembered the old man's words. "Mistakes are your teachers. Every day is a step." Ahmed opened his notebook again and promised himself, "I will not give up." Vocabulary. Motivated by us having the desire or energy to do something. Promise muff to make a strong decision to do something. Part 5. The Change. After 3 months, Ahmed noticed a change. He could understand his teacher better. He could read short stories without help. One day a tourist came to his town. The tourist asked for directions in English. Everyone stayed silent. Ahmed took a deep breath and said, "Yes, I can help you." He spoke slowly but clearly. The tourist understood and thanked him. Ahmed's friends were shocked. "When did you learn this?" they asked. Ahmed smiled and said, "Step by step." Vocabulary. Tourist cows a person who travels to visit places. Directions, sex instructions to reach a place. Part 6. The Big Test. Soon, the school announced a speech competition in English. Ahmed's heart started beating fast. He remembered how his classmates laughed at him months ago. But he also remembered the old man's advice. So he decided to join. On the day of the competition, Ahmed stood on the stage. His hands were shaking. He looked at the crowd and said, "Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahmed. A year ago, I was afraid of English. But today, I am here to tell you something important. English is not impossible. It is a journey of small steps." He continued his speech with confidence. When he finished, the whole hall clapped loudly. Vocabulary. Competition. An event where people try to win. Confidence. Belief in yourself. Part 7. The Lesson. After the competition, the old man came to him. He had tears in his eyes. "You have done it, my boy. Remember, English is not about perfection. It is about courage." Ahmed smiled and replied, "Yes, mistakes are not the end. They are the beginning." From that day, Ahmed never feared English again. He kept learning, kept practicing, and also started helping others. Vocabulary. Perfection. Being completely without mistakes. Courage. Bravery, not being afraid. So, my friends, what did we learn from this story? Success does not come in one day. It comes from small steps every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. They are your best teachers. Confidence grows when you practice, not when you wait for perfection. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning stories. See you in the next video!